Okay, it's been 55 minutes, or 50 minutes since we started. No, we started quarter after. It's 11:07.
We got in here at 10 after.
So whatever, it's been an hour then.
Yeah.
And they've gone by us lots of times. Too many to count. Rick circled us about 4 times, gone all the way around us. Sorry about the no light, but actually I'll turn the light on because we can.
Oh, oh, you bastard!
Whoa, there they are. And
it's so bright.
I know. But anyways, they still haven't found us yet. So we're gonna try and set a record. Our record.
What was Rick's record?
Mine and Rick's record was an hour and a half.
Yeah, we're gonna beat it.
Yeah, we're gonna beat it. And then our next hiding spot where I'm gonna go, it should beat that one too. Yeah. But last year, with my Sunfire, John and I were hidden for 2 hours because we buried it just like I buried this truck. So I'll get back to you.